The Bing search engine added new AI visibility fields inside Webmaster Tools: intent, topic, citation share, and compare. But pause right here. Citation share is not ranking. Welcome to SEO Francisco. I'm Francisco, and I have more than 15 years in SEO, including more than 7 years as SEO lead at Shopify, more than 4 years at Pornhub, and hands-on work with multinationals through my agency, Growing Search. In the next few minutes, I will show you what Bing Search added, what the new fields mean, and the workflow I would use before changing a single page. The update matters because AI search gave teams a measurement problem. A screenshot can show if your brand appeared once. This report helps you ask better questions. Why did the page appear? Which topic did Bing group it into? How much of the cited evidence set did you get? And did that pattern change across time? Here is the map. Intent tells you the query context that Bing search associates with the citation. Informational, commercial, navigational, local, research, creation, and other labels may appear. Topic groups related grounding queries into subject clusters. Citation share is your site citations divided by all citations shown across sites for that grounding query. Compare lets you overlay a prior period on the current view. This is where SEOs can get into trouble. A clean percentage feels like a KPI, but Bing frames citation share as observational. It does not show traffic share. It does not expose competitor domains. It does not score content quality. The safer sentence is, this is our share of cited evidence for this grounding query. So what do you do with it? Step 1. Export the grounding queries and pages. Step 2. Filter by intents that matter to the business. A publisher may care about research and learning. A local service business may care about local and comparison contexts. Step 3. Group by topic. Step 4. Inspect the cited page before you touch the content. Here is the decision test. If a topic has business value and your citation share is weak, inspect the page. Does it answer the intent directly? Is the main answer easy to extract? Is it current? Does it include proof, examples, or data? Does it link to the next useful page? Then choose one of 3 actions. Refresh the page, build supporting content, or leave it alone. Compare is the part that turns the report into a testing loop. After an update has time to be crawled and reported, compare the next period with the previous one. But do not overclaim the cause. Citation patterns can move because of user behavior, model changes, freshness signals, partner refresh cycles, or changes across the web. Validate with analytics, Bing search performance, GSC, GA4, crawl checks, and referral data. So the practical takeaway is simple. Do not chase citation share as an AI ranking score. Use it to pick better questions. Which intent do we care about? Which topic is weak? Which page deserves work? And what changes after the next reporting window? If this was useful, like the video and subscribe to SEO Francisco. And comment with this. Which intent or topic would you check first in Bing Webmaster Tools for your site? The full article is on SEOFrancisco.com.